Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be installing Windows 95 and 86 box. Now, this is the RTM release. I am basically following the 86 box official YouTube channel tutorial. Link will be in the description. So, we're just going to press any key. Okay, there we go. So, okay, the boot disk is in drive A. So now, it's gonna do its thing. I want to make this video 95 minutes long. Drive install successful. Okay, yes, so press any key. Okay, now it's formatting the virtual hard disk. Enter. Okay, now it's going into the actual setup part of setup. There you go. We're in, so I'm gonna press yes, because we're totally reading it, guys. Anyways, sorry if the resolution's all weird. Just okay, click next. Next. Okay, we're gonna do custom. Okay, it worked. Okay. So, okay. Want to modify the hardware list. Actually, I think that's good. So, wait, hold on. Okay, we're gonna modify the hardware list. Okay, so we have both of these things. Next. And that's gonna analyze my computer. Okay, so I guess I'm not really gonna, I don't really care about any of these, so I'm gonna just click next. Sure. Microsoft Exchange now. X multimedia. Okay, there we go. So next. Actually, wait. Alright, so we're gonna add a client for Microsoft Networks, adapter, AMD, this one, okay. Now I'm gonna go down. Alright, so we're gonna add a TCP/IP protocol, add TCP/IP. Oh. What did it do? Okay, protocol. So Microsoft TCP/IP. I didn't want to add the dial-up. Okay, so now we're gonna scroll down to here, dial-up adapter. Actually, no, I mean TCP/IP. Alright, so I just added stuff. Alright, I just added some stuff. Now, Mom is texting me. Go next. Sure. S3. That looks good to me. Yes, that's good. Okay, next. No, I don't want a startup disk. Okay, copying Windows 95 files to your computer. Okay, there you go. Oh, glitchy drum. Glitchy drum. Okay, so it's copying files. Yay! And it's done. Okay. So I'm gonna remove the boot disk. And I'm gonna finish. And there you go. Oh my god. Oh. It's here now. I'm just gonna put this chance. Okay. Go. Setting up my hardware and any plug-and-play devices I might have. So it's gonna set up like the graphics drivers and stuff now, so I won't need to install them myself. Yay! Oh, I don't want a printer. Okay, there we go. The graphics drivers are already installed, which is good. Okay. Now. Okay, now it's Windows 95. I'm installing the RTM release because it's the anniversary of the RTM release, and it'd be more fitting to actually like do the RTM release instead. Oh, okay, let's do this. Okay, we already heard a ding sound. Okay. Hey, there we go. The sound drivers aren't that great, but there we go. We're in. Now I should probably change the resolution, just because the resolution is a little low at the moment. So let's change this to true color, and let's set it to 1024 by 768. No, I don't want to specify monitor. Let's restart the computer. Okay. So we're in, boys. So Windows is now restarting. Okay, there we go. Now that's way better. Oh wait, hold on, I need to, like... so yeah. Oh my god. Anyways. Lucky, shut up. Jesus Christ. Anyway. Let's change the background to something a little more like... Nah, let's not change the background. So yeah, we're in Windows 95. It's pretty good OS for its time. So yeah, go to, let's go to, Windows 95, there we go. Now we're gonna install, Internet Explorer, a newer version of Internet Explorer, because it's more compatible. Well, it's less compatible. This is the last version to be compatible with Windows 95, but like it's more compatible with more websites. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go to ie5.iso. Okay. Now we can get it working. ie5 setup. Now this won't give you any features like active desktop or anything, just because like IE 5.5 doesn't have this for Windows 95. We're doing it. Install an Internet Explorer. This is a Windows 2000 icon. Fun fact. Now, this shouldn't, in theory, this shouldn't take too long. Yeah, install now, I guess. Okay, setup is preparing to update Windows. This could take a while. Well, because I've done this before. Also, like, because it's Internet Explorer, of course it's gonna take, like, of course it's gonna be really slow. So, cue the speed up and the funny Windows XP install music. Okay, so we're in. Now, I'm gonna uncheck this. The freaking interlacing. Whatever. Oh, it's still doing a thing. Setting up Outlook Express. We're gonna... Hello. Hello,
Hi.
peoples. We have a friend joining us. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. So, at the moment, we are installing Internet Explorer.
Nice.
Gonna set up a LAN connection. Next. Next. I do not. Dial-up is dead. Map Discovery proxy server. No, I don't want to set up an internet mail account. And finish. Okay, there we go. So now we have Internet Explorer 5 installed. That's pretty cool.
Nice.
We're gonna install plus 95, cause why not? Microsoft Plus for Windows 95. Okay, there we go. Put in the ISO. Now it's gonna do a thing.
Unpin launcher.
Okay, there we go.
God.
Freaking Sound Blaster all 32.
God.
Okay, install Plus. Okay, continue. Nope, no, it's done. Okay. Now. Okay, restart Windows. So I'm gonna remove the CD now. Restart Windows. And there we go. Now, starting. I should see the plus 95 boot screen. There we go. So yeah. Now it should boot into the Windows 95 desktop. Yep. Okay. So, Jesus, the sound in here is terrible. Okay, so we're in plus 95. Now, there's one thing you always have to do when you install plus 95. That thing is play 3D Pinball. I have no idea what it's doing. I'm just gonna mute this. What the frick? Okay, I'm just gonna mute the desktop audio on OBS. Anyway. Oh god, it's even worse. Okay. So, while we show you this amazing gameplay of 3D Pinball, I'd like to share with you the history of Windows 95's development. Windows 95 started out as a project codenamed Chicago in 1992, shortly after Windows 3.1 released. Before Chicago, pre-release builds of Windows for Workers 3.1 would fork into a project called Cougar, which was meant to provide a 32-bit protected mode kernel for the next DOS-based Windows, which would be Chicago. Cougar was later merged into a project codenamed Jaguar, which was then MS-DOS 7.0, into what would become Chicago. The first two builds known to exist were shown in a video from Microsoft demonstrating the usability testing process of Chicago. Then more and more builds were released to testers until we got build 950R6, which was the RTM build of Windows 95. No rip. That was a good game. That was pretty good. So yeah. Now let's see what Windows 95 can do. So first of all, it can play 3D Pinball, obviously, by that very long gameplay I just showed. Anyways, multimedia. Let's see, Windows Media Player. Well, it's probably not going to do anything. Anyway, let's do something in Paint. Okay. Yeah. So, that's a sound. Win 95. Okay. So now. Okay. Let's set this as a desktop background. Actually, no. Let's just open it here. There you go. 25. Win 95. Properties. Can we change what this opens with? No, I can't. Let's try to go on the internet some more, because that's Windows 95's big thing. Internet stuff. So, we just hit an hour of recording. YouTube.com. Let's go to YouTube. Okay, yes. Okay, let's try to go to YouTube. If this works, and no, it doesn't. Let's go to, toastytech.com. IE is evil. Internet Explorer is evil. See if the GIFs here actually play. They do! Yes! Okay. Wacky Windows errors. Like, I don't know what Nathan was on while writing the site, but... Okay. Mac OS. Files and downloads. The graphical user interface gallery. Will these images even load? Find out in the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Windows. Let's look at Windows 95. 'Cause, yeah. Win95.html. It's difficult to tell just from looking, but Windows 95 is built directly on top of MS-DOS and Windows 3.1. Yada yada yada. Let's actually get some, like, gaming let's try to get some gaming going on. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. So anyway. Let's just, go to my computer. About Windows 95. There we go, Windows 95, chance to see any tech. Let's go to accessories. Games. Let's play some Solitaire. Solitaire's a pretty good game. Oh my god, we have 3 jacks right off the bat. No. I don't know how to end this video. Subscribe.